disappointed, not so satisfied and upset with Club Factory. Quality of products that they sent me are definitely not so good and few of them are defective. Hi guys, what's up? How are you guys? Hope all of you are doing good. I think you already know what this video is all about by the title of this video. But I want to start this video with a disclaimer that I don't have any intention to degrade any brand or any products, and your opinion may vary from that of mine because our experience are different. So hope you guys understand, and yeah, let's begin this video. Factory is online shopping site that allows you to directly shop from the factories without wholesalers, distributors, etc. Now Factory takes 15 to 20 days to deliver your products, and yes, COD option, that is cash on delivery payment option, is available. I only got cash on delivery option. So yes, now let me show you guys what are the products that I purchased and why I was telling that few of these products are defective. The first product that I ordered is this sports sunglasses, and the picture was looking cool in the Club Factory app, and that's why I ordered this, and this retail for rupees 124. But let me show you guys why I was telling that this is defective. If you can see here, I don't know what this is called, but this is present at one side and another side this is not present, and yes, this is that piece. I don't know what it is called. So that's why I said that it is a little defective, because if I have to wear this, then I have to get this fixed from a local spectacle store or local spectacle shop, and then only I can wear this. So I'm really disappointed with my first purchase. And the second product that I ordered, I'll just insert a picture here so that you can see it. But why I'm going to insert only a picture and I'm not going to show you the product? Why? Because I haven't received it yet. I ordered that product along with the other ones, but the other ones I have received almost a week back, and I haven't received that product. But yes, they have not charged me anything for that product because it was a cash on delivery option, payment option that I chose. But yes, I haven't received that product, and that bracelet was so good. Like when I saw that bracelet, I knew that I have to get it because it looked so cool, so beautiful, so amazing. But I haven't received that yet, and I don't know, I don't have any idea when am I going to receive it. So the next product that I ordered are these earrings. These are long earrings, and I'll insert a picture to show you guys how it was shown in the picture in the Club Factory app. I thought these earrings are really long, and this will almost touch my collarbones, but hey, it did not. I thought that it will touch the collarbones, and that's the reason I ordered it, because I really wanted a long earrings from a long time. This was priced at rupees 133. The next thing that I ordered is this round shaped hollow drop earrings. Hollow इसलिए because this is very light, बहुत हल्की है, and this was priced at rupees 77, जो कि होना नहीं चाहिए. मुझे लगता है price थोड़ा ज़्यादा hike है. It's really a little higher than the quality of the product, because this is very hollow, and this is very light in weight. And I'll show you guys that this is also a little defective, though I can pull this off well, but a little defective. Let me zoom you guys and show you why I'm telling that this is defective. To be an honest review, an honest opinion about Club Factory, and I don't want to keep any kind of parda between me and you guys. So yeah, I don't know whether the camera is doing justice or not, but ye thoda sa, this is a little tilted. I feel this is a little tilted. This is definitely not straight. This is a little tilted, thoda sa tera hai ye, seedha nahi hai, and that's the reason I was telling you guys that this is a little defective. But still, it's okay. Like I can at least wear this. The next thing is this oval vintage ring. This was priced at rupees 72, and I think price thoda zyada hai, because it's okay, because you are just at the comfort of your home and ordering, then it's okay. Like if you are a lazy person like me, costing it almost 72 rupees for this vintage ring.
And yeah, let me show you guys that this ring is adjustable. I have wore this in this ring finger. If I want, then I can adjust the diameter of this ring like so, and I can wear this here and see it's tight. And
the last but not the least product is this retro necklace. Yes, this is like this.
How am I looking?
This was priced at rupees 173. So guys, that's all in my today's video, and if you find this video informative and helpful, then subscribe karo yaar. Do subscribe my channel. Subscribe kyun nahi karte? Subscribe karo jaldi se. Click that red subscribe button down below and also hit the bell icon just beside it to get notified whenever I post the new videos. And also do give this video a big thumbs up, and share this video. Comment down below what do you think about Club Factory. Have you ever ordered anything from Club Factory, and how was those products? Yeah guys, do comment down below and share this video with your friends, your family, and everybody you know that this video will be helpful and who loves online shopping. You can share this video with them, and we'll meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.